Luis Gomez? Mr. Gomez? Where's Luis Gomez? Oh, come forward. All right, court is calling. And probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2023 CR 1868, State of Texas versus Luis Gomez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Pat Longacre for Mr. Gomez.
Are you Mr. Gomez?
Yes,
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right, everyone, we're on the record. Please don't talk behind the court reporter. Mr. Gomez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family and household.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did
Yes.
you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family household as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is anywhere from 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes,
Did you understand by entering this plea bargaining agreement, you were giving up those rights?
yes, ma'am, I do.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? You need to speak
Oh,
up.
yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Did you understand if your application, if I were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has indeed, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge, I do.
Mr. Gomez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family household. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with the affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Judge,
Yes.
I was mistaken. I thought that applied if it were a felony conviction.
No.
It applies if there's an affirmative finding.
Yes.
Yes, we're okay with that,
All
Judge.
right. And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand?
Judge, at this moment, Mr. Gomez is the primary parent. He has custody by way of CPS, sole custody of all 3 children.
Well, if somebody files orders against him,
Orders,
if there are custody orders and custody contested, this is coming up. Now, I'm just telling you what the rules are, but whatever people do on the civil side, that's what they do on the civil side. But I'm letting you know, with an affirmative finding of family violence, if there is a custody hearing, all things equal, a person with an affirmative finding of family violence is not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent.
but he could be granted joint custody. Is that correct?
Oh, I'm not the civil attorney or the civil judge. I'm just saying what the rules are and what are the collateral consequences of this.
You understand what you're saying? I do. She's saying that if later on, if there's a custody battle between you and Crystal.
Oh, but this is not an issue with me having them now, right?
No,
Oh, okay. No, no.
if there later is.
Understood.
Okay, yes, we understand, Judge.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargaining agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, sure.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, the BIPP program, no harmful or injurious contact with Crystal Castagnata. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense, the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State offers states exhibit 1 and all its attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused to continue to confer. Mr. Gomez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
I'm sorry, I used to it, I don't know. It's not an issue. All right, I guess.
All right, I'm sorry, state. Is the complainant aware of this plea?
Your Honor, we made multiple attempts to contact the complaining witness throughout the prosecution, and we have been unsuccessful in contacting them.
All right. So, Mr. Gomez, why is she calling you a crackhead?
I'm
Why
sorry?
is she calling you a crackhead? That's what it says in the police report. It says that she woke you up to help her get children for the children's, to take them to a birthday party. You all began to argue and she called you a crackhead.
I don't know her side of the story completely. We weren't together. She actually came to my residence. I never let her in my place. And
All right, let me ask you this. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you're going to get drug tested today.
I mean, I do smoke marijuana.
All right, we're going to drug test you today. Is that all it's going to be positive for marijuana?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're going to do a drug test today, then I'm going to come back with my sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so counsel, we're going to have him drug tested today, then I'll make a ruling.
So you'd like me to stay present, Judge?
Yes, it shouldn't take that long.
If you give me an estimate, I just have another place to be.
How long will it take? You ready to use to go now?
Yes.
Oh, he's ready to go now, so it'll be a few minutes.
Fair enough, Judge.
All
Thank
right.
you, Your Honor.
All right, are you ready to go back on the record on Mr. Gomez?
We are, Judge. Mr. Gomez? I say I'm aware of what he relayed to me, and what he relayed to me is this. He's positive for marijuana, but he's positive for a benzo, probably a Xanax his dad gave him a couple weeks ago. He's positive for a Vicodin also, which his dad gave him for back pain a couple weeks ago.
Oh, see, that's still no excuse because he was dishonest with the court. And I don't know why somebody is allowing him to have children and he's using drugs. But I'm not a civil court. I can only do what I can do. All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 1868, State of Texas versus Luis Gomez. All right, state Mr. Gomez is positive for opioids, benzos, and marijuana. So do y'all wish to continue with this plea?
Your Honor, at this
We-
time, yes.
We do, pending the TAP evaluation. Yes, we do, Judge.
All right. Anything you wish to say to the court? You want to explain yourself?
I was just,
Being dishonest,
to you, yes, ma'am. I did not realize,
that it would come by positive.
know that I had, well, I mean, I did the Vicodin. I do know that that's what I took because I was in pain and I asked my father for
So
meds.
again, we're back to the point that you were dishonest to the court. I don't know why you're wasting up probation's UA. Doing those UAs cost money. They're not free. I should start making people pay for the UA when you're dishonest with the court.
Again, I didn't, it was a couple weeks ago. I didn't, I mean, it's not.
Again, you didn't think it was going to
I
come out
don't- I
positive.
don't take them on the regular is what I'm trying to get to. I mean, I should have said, I took that a couple weeks ago and included it in when you asked me about the marijuana. I didn't, that's my fault. And
Well, I mean, you were just dishonest. You got to own it.
yes, ma'am. I mean, there's no other way around it. And I was dishonest.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. The BIPP program, no contact with Crystal Castaneda.
Excuse me, Your Honor, do you mean no harmful or injurious?
No contact.
How then can they exchange children for this case?
Well,
Through a third party.
We've been managing.
Yeah, through a third party.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want the UA hotline. If you have a back problem or something else that's going on, you can't be taking other people's
Yes, ma'am.
medications.
I am aware.
There's no marijuana use in this court.
Yes, ma'am.
It is still illegal in Texas. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So we're going to do the UA hotline. I'm going to want him tested for levels. He's going to be tested weekly. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
Your Honor, did you want field visit?
Yes, let's do field visits once per month, and that's until he's clean.
And do you want, community service hours?
Yes, we are going to do 80 hours of community service restitution. And I'm going to ask for parenting classes. And once he completes the parenting classes, and that'll be with Triple P, once he completes that, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, didn't mean to interrupt. I am currently enrolled in, I was in VIP classes. They since moved me. I'm not too sure on the name. My classes start today, 6 to 8.
All right, you'll have to confer with probation so they'll know what those classes are.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I will make a decision on whether or not they'll be acceptable.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Ma'am. Where?
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. In this court, it's best to be honest with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Because for conditions of probation, I'm trying to give you conditions so that you can be successful and so that you won't come back here again. Because you're looking up to a year in the Bexar County Jail.
Yes, ma'am. I am aware.
If you have any issues, speak with probation. If you feel like probation isn't addressing those issues, then come back to court. We'll figure it out. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Who's here on Luis Gomez?
Sir?
Yes. Just one moment. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 1868 State versus Luis Gomez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Michael Collins, attorney for defendant, present, ready, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Gomez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilty and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilty and revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Are you the same Luis Gonzalo Gomez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 1868 for the offense of assault, bodily injury, family, or household on May 22nd, 2023 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violation of condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Luis Gonzalo Gomez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. It's true.
Violation of condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Luis Gonzalo Gomez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, and March 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It's true, Your Honor.
State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 4 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County jail, and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 4 and 4?
Yes.
Court will find violations 4 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. Both sides will be going open to the court with our recommendations.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
We are requesting revocation, Your Honor, adjudication of guilt, affirmative finding of family violence, and sentence the defendant to 1 year in the Bexar County jail.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
First of all, my client would like to address the court, Your Honor.
All right, if you can raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Luis Gomez.
All right, you may proceed.
Your Honor, tell the judge, you're here in front of the judge on a motion to revoke probation. You pled true that you did not report for the months of May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December of 2024. Can you tell the judge why you did not report during those months?
Well, the reason I didn't was when the MTR was issued, I got in contact with my probation officer, and she informed me of the steps I needed to take to address this situation. And I fell into a bit of a hard time in that time, and I just kind of focused on fixing everything else, and I wasn't aware that I was under the I thought being with MTR that all that was pretty much null, and you know, as reporting and everything, you know, speaking with the probation officer and the steps that she informed me to take. So I wasn't aware that I still needed to report during the time that I was that I received the MTR.
And during that time that you were on probation, were you taking care of your young child?
Yes, I was taking care of my 3 boys, and at that time, the probation and everything started to interfere with my work, and they I ended up losing my job because of it. Spent some time without a job, and having my boys and no job and trying to find something kind of took heed to everything else. So I did what I needed to do to make sure my kids were safe and that I can move forward and try to fix everything that was breaking down, and then take care of this situation, which is why I turned myself in the beginning of October to finally take care of this.
Are you asking the court to continue you on probation
Yes, I would.
and extend your probation?
I would like to ask to have my probation extended. Jail is not a nice place to be. I'd rather be out where I can take care of my kids and continue to.
Here's my question though. What have you done on probation?
What have I done on probation?
Yeah, what did you complete?
Again, the whole with the job not being.
My question is very simple.
Nothing.
What have you completed on probation?
Did nothing.
So you've done nothing on probation.
No, ma'am.
You didn't report.
No, ma'am.
So you've done nothing and you want to be continued.
I didn't report during the time that the MTR was issued, but from.
And there's an MTR because you didn't report.
But up until then, I reported every month without fail.
You didn't report, and then I'm not considering his not doing the drug testing and testing positive for marijuana. I'm not even going to consider that. But this is what I want you to do. I want you to pretend that this case is not about you, right? Let's just pretend it's just about somebody else and you're sitting and watching. And it's an adult. It's not a child. It's not somebody who's young, 17 or 18-year-old. How old are you?
40, Your Honor.
All right, so let's pretend it's a 40-year-old. And a 40-year-old is placed on probation for what was originally assault family choking that was reduced to a misdemeanor. And they have conditions for probation in order to stay out of jail, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And they come before a judge and they have not done anything. And they've been on probation since 2023. And they have done nothing. Do you really think that person should be continued when they've done nothing? And it's been well over a year.
Well, Your Honor,
I know you want to be continued, but if it's just somebody that you don't even know, have no contact with whatsoever, do you really think they should be continued? They have done, it's an adult, let's say it's just an adult person. It doesn't have to be a male, it can be a female. And they've been on probation since 2023. And here we are, almost into the new year, October 2025. So from 2023 to 2025, they have not completed anything. Do you really think they should be continued? Because did you complete parenting classes?
no, ma'am.
All right. Did you provide proof of employment to anybody?
Yes, ma'am. To the probation officer.
Did you report regularly?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you didn't, because we're here for your not reporting.
Well, like I said,
Did you complete the BIP class?
no, ma'am.
So basically, you haven't done anything. And I'm not going to continue you because it's close to 2 years and you have done nothing. And for some reason, you want to be continued, even though you have done nothing. I could understand if, hey, I've been in the hospital, I've been in a coma, I just woke up. Or either I've been in the hospital and I couldn't move around, I couldn't even pick up the phone to call anybody. But that's not your case. Or I've been fighting fires in California, saving lives, I couldn't get back here. But it's just, you haven't done anything and you're saying the jail is a bad place. I agree. Jail is a bad place. Prison is a bad place. I don't know anybody who wants to willingly be in prison or be at the Bear County Jail. So I'm not going to continue you. I'm finding 4 and 4 true. I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to revoke. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Court is going to sentence you to a year in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $4,000 fine. There's to be no contact with Crystal Castaneda. And with regards to your children, who's taking care of them now?
Their mother.
Okay. And there's to be no residing in households with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're gonna have to do better. And your attorney did the best he could for you with what you gave him to work with, which is you didn't give him anything to work with. Okay? All right, good luck to you.